We're taking a break from Avatar. Let's crack open this pack of Ravnica Remastered Collector Booster. Orzhov's Signet. Vindictive Vampire. Woebringer Demon. Azorius Justicar. No, wait, Azorius Justiciar. Can't pronounce anything. Shadow Alley Denizen. Disembowel. Sewer Shambler. Wild Canter. And we're getting to the rares here. Illusionist Bracers.
Look at us. Hey, look at us.
Look at us.
Huh?
Who would have thought? Not me.
And that's a pretty decent shock land. Maze's End. Ultimate Wolfblood. Turnabout. And Gruul Guildgate. Totally Lost. Yeah, he looks pretty lost.